Time to put in our PI cleaner. Cleans your valves, your injectors, carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber. This is proprietary, and on a GM 5.3 liter Silverado engine in one bottle on a 100,000 mile truck, this did 14% more power in one bottle by cleaning the valves. What this would look like with the injectors. Think of a injector shooting straight like this. That's not atomizing. It's missing the spark inside your combustion chamber, and you have all this unburnt fuel that you just wasted. You're actually getting fuel dilution into your motor oil, which thins it out, and then you burn more oil. And this cleans the injectors. Now you have this beautiful atomization like this, and you can see all those little droplets with air around it. Well, when you have air between the fuel, you can burn most of the fuel. Right now, with your injectors being dirty, you might be burning 80% of the fuel. Once you clean them, you could possibly burn 90%, so you could make 10% more power in just one bottle by cleaning up your fuel system. All right, so we got the bottle of PI going in, and that's it. Just shove it in, and that goes in every 4,000 miles, and that way you keep your fuel system optimized and get your vehicle to run longer and stronger.